Synths, synths, synths. Whether it's stock sounds in the Alchemy synth or shiny new patches added in sound and producer packs, there is no shortage of amazing sounding synths in GarageBand for iOS. Decent guitar sounds, on the other hand, are a bit harder to come by. The new producer pack from guitar legend Mark Lettieri aims to fix that. Let's dive in. Mark Lettieri is a virtuoso guitarist, composer, producer and Grammy Award winner. Best known as a guitarist for Snarky Puppy and the Vulfpeck side project, The Fearless Flyers, Mark is an inventive player who pushes boundaries in almost every genre of popular music. Having said all that, Mark's producer pack is a bit of an anomaly. This pack features over 230 Apple loops, 1 live loops grids, and that's it. The live loops grid consists purely of guitar sounds that sound good when played together, and while they do sound great, there's no denying that, you'll need to add other sounds, loops and beats to fill out any tracks you want to create with this. Before we go any further in this video, you know what? You know what's coming. You know what I'm going to ask, so I'm not even going to bother. You know what to do. On to the loops then, and there being only 230 of them may seem a little bit disappointing, but these guitars are bloody spectacular. Unlike other producer packs released recently, the sounds in this pack will complement other sounds from other packs very well. You won't be able to create a track from only the sounds in this one pack. Now, I'm mostly okay with that because the guitar sounds on offer here are great. Now, your mileage may vary with this pack depending on whether or not you like to create with loops or not. I found that chopping up these loops and slapping on some mad effects went a long way to adding an extra bit of spice and life to the sounds in this pack. For example, I'd highly recommend experimenting with GarageBand's built-in amp designer and pedals with these loops. The vast majority of them have been recorded fairly cleanly, so adding things like phasers and chorus and even distortion to these loops can change the feel of them dramatically. So yeah, content-wise, you're not getting as much in this pack as you have from other packs that have been released recently. Personally, I love the sounds in this pack. The loops that are here sound great, but it is a little bit of a missed opportunity. I would have loved to have seen some extra amp presets added, for example, kind of in the same way that vocal presets were added in the Mark Ronson pack. Bit of a shame that. Anyway, that is the Mark Lettieri producer pack. Let me know your thoughts about this pack down below and which pack you think I should take a closer look at next. Take care of yourself. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.